Imagine a creature, a true master of its environment. This is the chameleon. Many people know them for their amazing color changes. They can shift their appearance in mere moments. This is not just for show, but a vital tool for survival. It helps them communicate with other chameleons and hide from predators. But the chameleon's talents do not end with its skin. Consider its eyes. Each eye can move independently, giving the chameleon a full 360-degree view. One eye can look forward, searching for an insect, while the other watches for danger. This panoramic vision allows them to be both effective hunters and cautious prey. Then there is the chameleon's tongue. It is a weapon of incredible speed and precision. When an insect comes within range, the tongue shoots out, striking its target with astonishing accuracy. It can accelerate faster than many sports cars. These ancient reptiles are truly unique. From their grasping feet to their prehensile tails, every part of the chameleon is a wonder of natural engineering. They are a testament to the power of evolution. We have so much to learn from these quiet, watchful creatures of the canopy. The story of the chameleon begins a very long time ago. We must travel back some 65 million years. This was a time of great change on our planet. The dinosaurs had recently vanished. Mammals were beginning to diversify and spread. It was in this ancient world that the first chameleons appeared. Fossil evidence, though scarce, points to an early origin. These early ancestors were likely small, unassuming lizards. Remarkably, chameleons survived the great extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. Many early chameleons are thought to have lived in Africa. The continent of Africa, along with the island of Madagascar, provided stable environments. Madagascar in particular became a hotspot for chameleon evolution. The island's isolation allowed chameleons to evolve in unique ways. Today, about half of all known chameleon species are found only in Madagascar. Over these vast stretches of time, chameleons honed their special skills. This long evolutionary journey has resulted in one of nature's most specialized and fascinating groups of animals. The life of a chameleon begins in a most humble way. It starts as an egg, carefully laid by the mother. Most chameleon species are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. The female will dig a hole in the soil or soft leaf litter. She deposits her precious clutch, sometimes just a few, sometimes many dozens. The location is chosen with care to protect the eggs from predators and harsh weather. Once laid, she covers them and leaves them to their fate. Inside the egg, a tiny chameleon develops. It is a miniature version of its parents. When the time is right, the little hatchling must break free. Emerging into the world is a perilous moment. The young chameleon is small and vulnerable. It must immediately fend for itself. The young chameleon's first task is to find food and shelter. It will begin to hunt tiny insects almost immediately. Its color-changing abilities are present from a young age. Growth can be quite rapid if food is plentiful. Once mature, its focus shifts to reproduction, ensuring the continuation of these extraordinary creatures. Section 4. Masters of Disguise. The science behind color shifting. The chameleon's ability to change color is perhaps its most famous trait. For a long time, people believed it was solely for camouflage. While camouflage is indeed one important function, it is not the whole story. Color change is also a vital form of communication. Chameleons use it to signal their mood to other chameleons. Bright colors can indicate a male ready to mate, or an aggressive warning to a rival. Darker colors might show stress or submission. The secret lies in special cells called iridophores. These cells contain tiny nano-crystals arranged in a lattice-like structure. When the chameleon is calm, these crystals are packed closely together, reflecting shorter wavelengths of light, like blue. When a chameleon becomes excited or agitated, it can change the spacing of these nanocrystals. If the chameleon stretches this layer of cells, the distance between the crystals increases, reflecting longer wavelengths of light. This allows for rapid and complex color adjustments. Some chameleons have a second, deeper layer of iridophores that reflect infrared light, possibly helping with temperature regulation. This dynamic skin is a key to their survival and social interactions. Understanding this mechanism has revealed a new level of complexity in these already amazing animals. For more interesting life cycle videos, please hit like and subscribe to the Life Cycle Explorers channel. Add comments for any species life cycle videos you want to watch. Section 5. Nature's High-Speed Hunter. The incredible tongue and eyes. Beyond their colorful displays, chameleons possess other extraordinary tools for survival. Their eyes are a true wonder. Each eye is housed in a conical turret. Each can move independently, giving them nearly 360-degree vision. One eye can scan for a tasty grasshopper, while the other watches for a predatory bird. When a chameleon spots its prey, it can focus both eyes on the target, giving it excellent depth perception. This is crucial for judging distances accurately. The chameleon's tongue is not just long, it is incredibly fast and powerful. It is launched from the mouth with astonishing acceleration. Some chameleons can extend their tongues to twice their body length. The tip of the tongue forms a suction cup or sticky club-like structure to secure the insect. The whole process, from spotting prey to capture, can take less than a fraction of a second. The tongue is shot out by a complex arrangement of muscles and elastic tissues. This combination of exceptional eyesight and a lightning-fast tongue makes the chameleon a formidable predator. It can remain perfectly still, camouflaged amongst the foliage. Then, in a flash, its meal is secured. These adaptations have allowed chameleons to thrive in various environments. Captive breeding programs for endangered species can also play a role. Educating the public about the threats chameleons face is also crucial. Section 7. Guardians of an Ancient Legacy: Why Chameleons Need Our Help. Chameleons are more than just biological curiosities. They are an integral part of the ecosystems they inhabit. As predators of insects, they help to control insect populations. They in turn provide food for other animals such as snakes and birds of prey. Their presence is an indicator of a healthy environment. Where chameleons thrive, it often means the forest or woodland is also thriving. Their decline can signal wider problems within the ecosystem. Protecting chameleons means protecting the rich biodiversity of their homes. These creatures have survived for an astonishing 65 million years. They have weathered mass extinctions and dramatic climate shifts. They have adapted and evolved into the incredible array of species we see today. The threats they face today are largely human-induced. Habitat destruction, climate change, and the illegal wildlife trade are pushing many species towards an uncertain future. We have a moral obligation to ensure that these ancient survivors do not disappear on our watch. Supporting chameleon conservation is an investment in the planet's biodiversity. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Let us ensure that these color-shifting, sharp-eyed ninjas of the natural world continue to grace our planet for millions of years to come.